Invisible Bed has solutions for even the simplest of things, such as a coffee table or an ironing table. With Invisible Bed, even daily simple tasks like ironing are made more efficient and elegant. Guests are always amazed when they visit my house. Some of them are not even aware that such furniture is available in our city, and that too made by an Indian brand. With Invisible Bed, you can get your whole home interiors done, or you can just bring this smart space-saving furniture home. They are also happy to partner with your favorite interior designer and create more space in your house. And if you yourself are a designer, Invisible Bed is open to partnering with you and help find space-saving solutions to help your clients. Invisible Bed is truly a new revolution to interior designing. Visit invisiblebed.com today to upgrade your space and transform your life.